Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Nespresso promo codes in 2025. So in order to do it, you first have to come on nespresso.com and try to find the deals and the coupon codes here. As you can see that currently you can save 10% on every order over $75 and you can get a free sample pack with each delivery. So if you want to avail this offer, you just have to create a new account with Nespresso and then you can place your order and get 10% off. If you are interested in this deal, you can go ahead and grab it. But if you want more on top of it, you just have to simply open a new tab and search for Nespresso promo codes 2025. Now, once you search for it, you will see a bunch of different websites that will be providing you the deals and the promo codes. So you just have to open these websites one by one so that you could go to them and check what they are actually offering. Now, as you can see that this particular website is giving you a bunch of different Nespresso promo codes. So you need to simply click on the deal or the code in which you are interested in order to activate it. And then you can just use that code at the time of checkout on Nespresso. So this is how you can find the promo codes for Nespresso in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.